Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about this week's video because we're going to be trying out something that we've never tried before. I'm just realizing that that's every week basically. So this week we're going to be trying out some color shifting pigments, and they're going to be by Eye Candy Pigments. I just cannot wait to try this. So color shifting pigments are really cool because if you dust a mold that has a lot of different angles, your piece will come out with like, I don't know, if you move it around in different lighting and stuff, it changes, not changes color, but it has like different angles where the lighting hits it different and changes the color. So if you guys are interested in seeing me try out some color shifting pigments, then continue watching. I don't know why I had to sing that. When I was on their website, they had so many really pretty ones. Like I wanted all of them, honestly. So what I did, because some of them, like the really pretty ones, were sold out, so they offered like this color shifting sample kit. So it's like all of their color shifting pigments, but you get like a really tiny little like packet of them. But still, to try it out, like each color, I think that that's really cool. So I grabbed that so that we could try a bunch of different colors, hopefully. And then I got bigger sizes and colors that I really liked that I could get that weren't sold out. So we will be revisiting some of our favorite molds that I've made myself. I just dropped it. We're gonna be using this like crystal mold that I made on my channel a while ago. It is very used, but obviously it has a bunch of different angles, and I think that this will look really, really cool with color shifting pigments. I also have a couple of heart dish molds, but the reason I pulled these out, even though this part is flat, the inside part has a bunch of different textured parts, so I think that the color shifting pigments will look really cool in that. And then because we have so many pigments, I think there's like 20 something in here. Because we have so many of these, I am gonna pull out the pumpkin mold that we used one time. Why did we use this? I can't remember what video this was for, but they're little pumpkins. I'm not an expert on dusting. I'm kind of just getting into it myself, so I'm probably just going to be using some kind of makeup brush that I don't use anymore so that we can use it for this. And we will get into dusting some of these molds with these pigments. So now that we've dusted everything, I think I'm going to mix up some resin, and then I'll probably mix in some black pigment, because I think that color shifting pigments look really cool when they have like a solid color resin inside of it too. So I'm going to mix up some resin, and then we'll mix in some, like probably some black pigment, and then we will pour, and then we will pop them out tomorrow. So we will get mixing and then pour. Okay, everything is dusted, everything's poured, so we're gonna let these cure for 24 hours. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm so excited to pop these out. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that demolding party. There was a lot to pop out. And I think that my favorites are the ones that change from like either a blue to a green or like a purple to a pink. There are a lot of those. Most of them are that type, like purple to pink. This heart dish, right? I need you guys to tell me, obviously, in every video, I need you to tell me which one's your favorite. But this one's mine. This solidly, because obviously I did 2 heart dishes. One, I left the center as like the black resin that I poured in, like I didn't dust that very center of the heart. And then this one in the center I dusted the entire thing, and I just love it. It goes from like a really pretty blue to a green and like a teal. It's so pretty. In some lights you can see almost like a purpley color. This is everything. This is also a favorite. Right? Goes from like a blue, teal, pink, purple. It's amazing. It's so pretty. I love this one, and this mold was perfect for it because it has a bunch of different edges for you to be able to see the different colors. Does this remind anybody else of the Sorcerer's Stone? I watched that just the other day, so maybe that's why it's, you know, like it's fresh in my mind, but this just reminds me of the Sorcerer's Stone. Like even the shape of it. Doesn't it look like it? Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you've ever used color shifting pigments before. I feel like I'm going to be dusting everything now. Like I'm going to be mixing this into everything, like all my resin projects, all my molds. I'm just going to want to dust everything. And as usual, let me know which piece was your favorite. How can you get past the heart dish? Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and following me on Instagram. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys so freaking much, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.